In this video, we'll break down where beginners make key mistakes. I'll show you the principle behind how traders who stay in the market long-term and earn consistently work, rather than just going trade by trade. Hey everyone, you're on the Arthur Troit channel. Today, I'll show you my personal method for growing a deposit with this broker using a 5-second time frame. I'll try to explain everything as simply and clearly as possible, so each of you can understand and apply this strategy in practice. This video is perfect for both experienced traders and beginners. So let's not waste any time and get started trading. Before starting a trading session, I always recommend setting the chart type to candlestick. It's the most optimal chart type for this broker. For the interval, I've chosen 5-second candles. We'll be trading and doing technical analysis on this exact time frame today. I only have $500 in my deposit, and my goal for this video is to add $1,000 to it. I'll show you later which tool will help me pull this off. But for now, let's move on to choosing currency pairs. We're trading in OTC mode, and I'm adding stable currency pairs with higher payouts on this broker. After adding currency pairs to favorites, we can now monitor the payout on these assets. If the payout starts dropping, we'll switch to other currency pairs right during the trading session and trade those instead. I'm switching over to the Euro-Turkish Lira. Let's do a quick technical analysis on this asset. First, I'll mark the most recent high on this asset. We can also spot a local support level on this currency pair. Steady sideways movement. Earlier, the price was in a slight upward subtrend. Right now, downward momentum is dominating on this currency pair. A lot of traders would go short right here. This strategy is based on trading while double-checking the technical analysis using signals from an AI-powered bot. I'll share this discovery with you using my own example and show you how I use it to earn consistently with this broker while cross-checking my technical analysis with eBot. This bot is completely free. It doesn't require any investment from you. All the information about it is in the Telegram channel linked in the description. And now, let's move on to setting up this tool. After launching it through the Telegram channel, a panel like this pops up, where all we need to do is simply select the trading mode. I'm switching to OTC mode. That's what we'll be trading on today. There's also a video about Forex mode available on my YouTube channel. Feel free to check out the 1-minute strategies and watch that educational content. Now let's move on to picking our asset. Euro, Turkish Lira on screen. We've already done a quick technical analysis on this asset. I'm setting the expiration time to 5 seconds. There's also a video about 15-second and 1-minute candles in the playlists. Go check it out and watch these strategies. All that's left to do now is hit generate signal and wait carefully for this tool's analysis. Within seconds, the bot will analyze this currency pair itself and then give us a signal to buy or sell. So we've got a buy signal in the lower range with 75% confidence, going long after a lengthy market correction, which adds the first bit of profit to our deposit. Plus $155 on the account. We had 75% confidence on this asset. There's our first profitable entry point. I'm not planning to stick with this currency pair any longer. I'm resetting this tool and moving on to the next assets I've picked. I'm switching over to the British pound, Australian dollar. Let me show you the full power of this bot. Without any technical analysis, we'll go long on the British pound, Australian dollar. The key with this method is to enter with second-precise timing across different currency pairs without stacking overlapping trades. That's the main aspect of trading with this method. I trade with this bot confidently because I've been using it for 4.5 months now, and over that time I've earned over $25,000 added to my deposit. What I've learned from trading with this tool is that you need to enter with second-precise timing, hitting generate signal. After this tool's technical analysis, I immediately hit buy or sell based on the bot's signal, which lets me earn consistently with this broker. There's a buy signal. After a lengthy market correction, entering with second-precise timing to the upside, a small momentum gives us another gain, to the tune of $140 added to the deposit. The payout on this asset has dropped, so let's immediately switch to the next currency pair, the New Zealand dollar. Also, without technical analysis, I will open on this asset. I fully trust this bot. Since I know that many traders are already trading using artificial intelligence, they simply do not show you this bot on their screen. Since it is possible to request a signal from both a phone and a personal device, therefore, be careful and trade with AI yourself. Here, pullback movements prevail. A stable lateral corridor was previously located on the asset, but now we can see a local resistance level on this asset. The price cannot go above this zone. Let's request a signal and open our entry point on the rollback movements. There is a breakout of the local resistance level. The bot will now read this situation. Gives us a buy signal. The price is moving along the ascending trend line here. The bot gives us a signal about this. There is another increase, and now there are $364 on our deposit. The advantage of this trading session first, with 75% confidence. The bot gives us here again the same thing. The perfect entry point. Upward impulses prevailed earlier on the asset. Thus, we earn an additional increase in the price of our deposit. Dollar ruble is the next currency pair. I'm betting on this asset. I'm also going to open my next entry point without any technical analysis. We see that the price is moving along the ascending trend line here, a small currency corridor. The bot perfectly handles any schedule you choose. Therefore, feel free to come to the Telegram channel and take this bot into your trade. Dollar ruble on our screens. The expiration time is also 5 seconds. I click on the generation. I am carefully waiting for the technical analysis of this bot. The payout is also 92%. I only trade at the maximum payout. I am waiting for the technical analysis of this tool. I get a buy signal. After a long correction, I am opening up with 63% confidence, and another sharp impulse from the last minimum value gives us another increase in our deposit. With such confidence and with perfect accuracy, opening on a signal, in just 5 minutes on this broker, we have already added $600 to our balance to our deposit. We started trading at 10.36 and opened 4 entry points in 5 minutes of trading. Thus, they brought $600 to their deposit account. We have literally $400 left before the $1,000 increase, so I'm not going to stop there. I'm restarting this bot and moving on to my selected assets. I'm going on a Euro-British pound adventure. This trading method is incredibly simple. All that is required of us is to press the buy or sell button on time based on the signal from this instrument. Also, always set up this bot carefully before trading. Euro-British pound on the screen. The payout is 87%. I am also satisfied with this payment. Let's add the same $150 to our deposit. Euro-British pound, 5-second expiration time. I also remind you that this broker does not prohibit you from trading with third-party instruments. Therefore, do not worry about your account and your funds, and go to our Telegram channel. And go to the Telegram channel by following the link in the description and take this bot into your trade. I am waiting for the technical analysis of this bot. I receive a buy signal with 64% confidence. I open up, there is a sharp impulse after a long correction in the market and another increase in our deposit. You can see for yourself by watching my previous videos and see how I accelerate my deposit from just $100. There are also videos about Forex mode. You will see how I earn money on it. Well, I'm moving on to the next asset, namely the Euro ruble. Let's also open up to the Euro ruble without any technical analysis. We see that the price is moving along the descending trend line here. Now, a correction is taking place in the market. Let's request our signal here. Many traders simply double-check their technical analysis, do not open on time until the second, thereby losing their funds. I advise you to trade on stable currency pairs, request signals, and open with precision to the second. You request one signal, wait for technical analysis, and then open on time at the signal of this bot. I am waiting for those analyses. I receive a buy signal with 55% confidence, opening along this ascending trend line. A sharp impulse gives us another increase in the account, and now we have $900 plus in our balance since the beginning of this trading session. I restart this bot, and I return to the dollar ruble, with only one entry point remaining until the coveted $1,000 increase for this trading session, and I also do not forget to select a new currency pair in my instrument. No indicators of a trading session with other traders will help you make money like artificial intelligence. As you can imagine, artificial intelligence reads any chart you choose in a matter of seconds and gives you the right signal. Therefore, come to the Telegram channel, read reviews from other users, and make sure that this bot works on its own. You will also see all the reports of trading with this bot there. All you have to do is write to the administrator of this group. He will give you access keys so you can trade with AI. Already today, I am waiting for technical analysis. I receive a sell signal, opening along this main descending trend line with 56% confidence. Here it gives us a signal that the new one did not have time to open exactly to the second, thereby returning the entry point to me. This often happens, so I repeat once again, open up to the second, ladies and interests, you and the means. In this situation, I switch back to another currency pair and conduct a trading session on it. I switch to Euro-British pound. Also, without those OTC mode analyses, let's end our trading session on this currency pair. Euro-British pound on our screens. Expiration time is 5 seconds, requesting a signal. The payout here is 92%. The price is moving along the descending trend line here. With a slight correction in the market, the bot reads this situation and gives us a payout signal. Purchases of our deal in the lower range after 2 corrective candlesticks with 70% confidence open the upward direction, thereby fulfilling the goal for this video. The most ideal trading session, the most ideal entry point with 70% confidence, gives us a sharp impulse to add the coveted $1,000 to our deposit. So, in just 5 to 10 minutes of trading on this broker, increasing your deposit by $1,000 without any problems, only by signals from this bot, I've earned a pretty big increase to my deposit. Previously, I also traded using this method. I added over $1,000 to my deposit on 15-second candles. I also have a video about this acceleration on my YouTube channel. Feel free to go to the playlists and watch this tutorial content. Well, I'm going to end my trading session with this. I hope you like this method. If something is unclear, leave your comments under this video. I answer all the questions immediately. Also, by going to the Telegram channel, you will be able to take this bot into your trading today. I hope the method makes everything clear to you. Open on different currency pairs with increased profitability. Open with precision to the second and you will receive a stable increase on your deposit. There is nothing complicated. No technical analysis is needed. No indicators are needed. Carefully configure your broker. Also carefully configure this bot. Request a signal and trade on your own. Well, I'll end my video with that. You were on the Arthur Trade channel. If you like this video, also don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also leave a comment under this video. Well, I wish you all successful deals. See you all soon. Bye-bye.